Hey, I'm William. Today, I'm going to show you how to test the gear case on a washer that's out of balance. The gear case, also known as the transmission, converts the motor's rotation into the back and forth motion that's needed to agitate the clothes and spin them to get the water out during the spin cycle. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. We're going to need a few tools for this job, including a 7/16" socket and a flathead screwdriver. And remember to keep safety first. Always unplug your washer or switch the breaker off before we're working on it. Ready? Let's jump in.
Don't forget to turn off your water supply and unscrew your hoses from the washer. You might need a towel handy to clean up any unwanted water.
We're going to take our flathead screwdriver and lift the center cap off the agitator. Then we can use our 7/16" socket to remove the agitator bolt. Now that we have those removed, we're just going to lift the agitator plate up and set it to the side.
You can also use your flathead screwdriver to help lift up the agitator plate.
While we have access to the drive shaft of the gear case, let's go ahead and check it. Wiggle the drive shaft around a bit to see if there's any play. If the drive shaft wiggles around, then that means the gear case needs to be replaced. You can put the washer back together by setting the agitator plate back in and securing it with a 7/16" bolt. Then we can put the cap back in place.
Don't forget to plug your washer back in, connect the water hoses, and turn your water supply back on.
If your gear case looked good, be sure to check out our other troubleshooting guides that could help you find out what's keeping your washer machine out of balance. And if you've got a bad gear case, a top quality replacement is just a few clicks away at AppliancePartsPros.com. Your feedback matters to us. Drop us a line in the comments section to share how your repair journey went. Did you find this video helpful? Show us some love by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Your support means the world to us, and we're excited to help you with your next project. Thanks for tuning in.